Can your digital asset management system actually keep up with modern marketing? Because it's not just storing JPEGs and PDFs anymore. It's handling 4K video, layered Photoshop files, CMYK TIFFs for print, even full Adobe XD designs. And you need them to load fast, preview accurately, and stay organized without breaking your workflow. The problem is, a lot of damn platforms claim they support every file type. But the moment you go beyond the basics, performance slows down, previews fail, and teams get frustrated. That's why Brandworkz supports 500 plus file formats, because marketing today doesn't fit into one box. Design teams work in Sketch. Printers require CMYK-ready assets. Video teams deliver everything in 4K. And sales teams live inside PowerPoint. So why should your DAM make anyone compromise? With Brandworkz, every team gets the files they need, fast, accurate, and ready to use. Transform your digital asset management with Brandworkz today.